Good morning, Abdul. Hi. Abdul, are you there? Hi. Good morning.
Say good morning. No.
How are you? Abdul, turn on the camera. Hi. Say hi to teacher. Say good morning. Be a good boy. Say good morning. Hi, Huda. Good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning. So good to see you. Are we all ready for the class? No one has joined today. Abdul, can you sing ABCD song?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Like this. Sing with me. Very good. Hi, Azad. Good morning. Give me high five. Good morning. How are you?
Fine.
Fine. Amazing. Can you sing ABCD song quickly with the action?
With the accent. Okay.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V,
PUV W X.
Y, and Z.
Now.
Now I A, B, C. Next time, want you sing with me?
Perfect. Amazing. Good job. Huda, quickly sing ABCD song. Quickly.
Twink. Twink.
Yes, Huda. Come on.
A, B,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, R, S, T, U, I,
D, U, V,
U, V,
W, X, Y, and Z.
Huda knows. Now I know.
A, B, C. Next my
Won't you sing with me?
You have to do the action. Sing with me. Do the action. Huda, do the action. Do the action. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Sing, sing, sing. Yay! Amazing. High five. Good job. Hi, Khadija. Turn on the camera, beta. Hello, beautiful. Where are you? Can't see you. All right, everyone, take out your notebook. Put today's date. Quickly put today's date. I'm going to ask you to write 2-letter words and then 3-letter words. Okay, we are going to practice it. Quickly put today's date. I'll show my screen. So today's date is last day of this month, 31st January. Three 2022.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
I am fine, ma'am.
Okay. All right, Khadija, take out your notebook, beta. Write down today's date.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have to write two
लिखो यहाँ पे
letters.
डेट लिखो 31st
34th.
ऐसे 3-1
31012022. Then you will write the topic 2-letter words, 2LW. All right, so the first letter you will write is K A cat. C. K A cat. K A cat. Letter C and A. A. K A cat. Now, next word you will write is T A tat. Everyone, T A tat. Now, which letter makes T sound? Then you have to put a S sound. T A tat. T A tat. Okay, Zan. T. T A tat. Izan, tell me which letter makes T sound?
Cat.
This is correct. K A cat. Now next one is T. T A tat. So कौन सा letter T sound बनाता है? Which letter makes T sound?
D.
ट ट
T. T.
T.
कौन से लेटर आते हैं?
T.
ट
T. Turtle. Which letter makes the T sound?
D.
टी टी
T.
T. So T A tat.
come on right
A. D.
Thank you. I will also give you. Doing. All right. Now next is Ma A Ma. Ma sound. Ma. Ma A Ma.
M.
Very good. ma. After everyone will write ha. Ha. Khadija Sheikh, which letter makes her sound?
H, ma'am.
Tell teacher.
Ha.
Ha. Right now. To write next.
Ha. Abdul, Huda, you all are writing right? I'll check the notebook. Ka, kya, to, ta, ma, ha, ha. Now we will write 3-letter words. Okay. First word we will write fat. Fa, fa, to, fat. Now there are 3 letters. Okay. First sound, sound, and to sound. Fa, to, fat. Fa, to, fat. For fat. Then we will write pat. For pat, to, pat. First sound, sound, and to sound. Pat.
Ma'am, for at pad.
Yes, for pat, to, pat. For pat, to, pat. Third word you will write bat. B sound. B, ball. B, bat, bat. B, bat, bat. bat, bat. Very nice, Sudha. Well done. And the last word for 3-letter word is cat. Meow. Cat. 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 Now I'll tell you one thing about rhyming words. Now, since you have written fat, pat, bat, and cat, you can see one thing is common. Like every word is ending with A and T, that is at sound. Yes? Izan, Khadija, Huda, Abdul, can you see? Each word is ending with the same letter, at. So these are called rhyming words. Now we know what are rhyming words. Amazing. So any word ending with the same sound is called a rhyming word. So all the words pat, pat, cat, and bat are rhyming words. Okay. Pat, cat, bat, pat. So words end with the similar sound is called rhyming words. Clear? Khadija, clear? Yes? All right. Well done, Huda. Amazing. Now show me your notebook where you have written all these words. Show me quickly. Lovely. What a beautiful handwriting. Amazing, Izan. Amazing, Khadija. Abdul, where is your work? Where you have written? Can I see, please? No, I'll get upset. I'll start to cry. Yes, Sudha. Very good. I'm going to give you 100 out of 100. But Abdul, where is your notebook? Where is your notebook? Well done, Khadija. Well done, Izan. Good job, good job. What happened, Izan? What happened? Just give me